Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I'm going to be going over some of the accessories that I got with the Pro Package. Now, the Pro Package was a limited time offer, and when I was purchasing the phone, they had it up there, and they gave you a time limit, but these accessories can also be for purchase. You'll just have to go to the website and purchase them yourself. So let's go ahead and take a look at the accessory. First up, we have the Red Magic case, and at first I thought this was a Spider-Man case, but actually if you take a look, it's the Red Magic symbol. So the phone itself is pretty slippery. It's a nice build and very solid device, but it is super slippery. So the case, as you see, once we take the styrofoam off, is pretty thin looking, but it's got a lot of color. But you see, it's very flexible, has cutouts. The inside feels okay, but I'm curious to see how well the colors of the case will hold up. Go ahead and put the phone in, and you see you have all the cutouts, your RGB strip, your fingerprint sensor, camera, everything has all the perfect cutouts as it should be because it came from the company. And so it feels a lot better, not as slippery. What a cool looking case. Next up, let's take a look at the Type-C charging cable. Now let me go ahead and pull this out the box, and I do notice there is a difference between the one you get in the box and this. This has a lot more detail, looks pretty gamerish. Cable's super thick, seems very durable. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but I have the cable plugged in and there is a breathing red light on the cable. I think that's pretty cool. Let me plug it in and see if it gives the phone an animation. And it doesn't appear there's no animation, but that's cool. Next up, we have the Red Magic Earphones. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. And I love that they put the Red Magic symbol in the box. But look, when you open up the bottom, here are additional ear tips so that you can pick the one that is most comfortable for your ear. And as you see, they're labeled left and right. And let's see, they are not magnetic, so they don't clip together, but here's the mic, and flipping it over, you have your volume keys, and they're clicky, and no Type-C for the Red Magic 3. I have a headphone jack, so pressed about that. And the last accessory that was included with the Pro package is this cool Bluetooth gamepad. It's the N30 Pro. So let's do a quick box tour. There is the controller. Flipping it around to the back shows you what it's compatible with. And let's go ahead and pull this out. So this thing is pretty small, pretty light, but it has all the buttons that you expect from a gaming controller. The buttons right here, the left is the power and the right is the pair button. This is how you pair the device. And then they also give you a charging cable for the controller, which is pretty cool. Then let's go ahead and pair this up and see how this actually works with some of the games. Now this controller works with some games, not all. So here's some gameplay.
What the?
Oh my God, quick, follow me. Hi.
What the hell is happening?
My name is Mika. Ruth sent me. Right now, you need to get out of here. Wait here.
You okay?
Now, I was one of the lucky ones to have this Pro package included with the purchase of my device. Now that they no longer offer this deal, you can still purchase this stuff individually if you like what you saw. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.